through how to make text bigger on Snapchat. So let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down till you find the option Control Center and tap on it. Now once inside the Control Center, scroll down and there you will get to see text size option available there. Tap on the plus icon available right next to it and it will be added to your Control Center. And now what you can do is simply drag down the slider from the Control Center and you will get to see AA option available there. So now all you have to do is open the Snapchat and tap on it and adjust the size of the text. So here if you tap on it, you will get to see the option to increase or decrease, and after this you can basically make the text bigger or smaller on Snapchat. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.